Hello, friends! Today we will draw and color the alpaca. I will start drawing the eyes. Let's draw the lashes and the head. I will draw the horns, the nose and the mouth. I will draw the neck. Let's draw a nice scarf for the alpaca. I will draw the rest of the body. I will draw the legs and the hooves. Let's add a heart and the tail. Let's add another heart and a flower. Let's add some decorations. I will draw a flower. I will color the horns with brown. I will color the top of the head with light green. I will color the eyes with orange. I will color the wall with yellow. I will color the tail with darker green. I will color the alpaca face with sky blue. I will color the alpaca's neck with orange. I will color the scarf with red and purple. I will color the heart with purple. I will color the alpaca's body with yellow. I will color the alpaca's legs with light green. I will color the flower with yellow. I will color the flower with blue and red. I'll color the hearts with red. Good job, friends! You could draw and color the alpaca with me. Don't forget to subscribe for more.